with sick people with symptoms of COVID. We know our teachers, professors, soldiers, our doctors, police, everybody's sick and dying. The cemeteries are filling up. So today we came here to ask World Health Organization, which country did they visit? What did they see? Because in Turkmenistan there is COVID. So today we also want to pay our respects and start our meeting with a minute of silence in the memory of those who passed away because of COVID.